Beth Verschaw, Bethfirchau.
And what would your title be?
Curator of Fishes.
Well, we're here today. You guys have a new member. What's his name? Who is he?
It's a girl, and it's a zebra shark from Indonesia, and her name is Mina, and the name comes from a coastal region in the Red Sea, which is fitting because that's where she's going to be living, in the Red Sea Aquarium here at the Virginia Aquarium. If you're familiar with what the nurse shark of Atlantic coastal waters looks like, it's very similar to that, but it's turned up a notch. It's got really cool ridges along its body, and it's polka dot. So it's a gold color with black polka dots.
Why did you guys decide to get it?
Well, it's a common shark found throughout the Indo-Pacific and the Red Sea. It's a very gregarious shark. It gets along really well with tank mates. It does really well in captivity. And by acquiring this particular shark, we're actually doing some conservation work as well.
Okay, let's talk about what I shot this morning. Kind of take the viewers through what we saw.
Well, we've had the shark over at our animal care facility for about a month and a half now. She was wild caught, so she comes in with all the critters that wild caught animals have. She had to go through some quarantine where we basically dewormed her, made sure that she was healthy, make sure that she's not going to bring anything into our Red Sea Aquarium that could hurt or damage the fishes already in the aquarium. So she was over there for about a month, and today we took her out and carrying her with the stretcher, a cargo stretcher, we weighed her, checked that her pit tag, which is an identification marker that we've placed inside just at the base of her dorsal. It's just like the same kind of pit tag that you put in your dog or a cat for identification. Make sure that was working and was correct and our records were correct. And then we brought her over here to the aquarium and put her into the hospital tank that's associated with the Red Sea. She'll stay there for a couple of hours. In this time, we've also been doing a lot of behavioral training with her, target feeding her, very similar to the way the seals and our sea turtles are fed here at the aquarium, so that she associates a particular target with food and not one of our divers or one of her tank mates.